So today actually marks day 40 of my Everyone Can Draw series here on YouTube. And if you're not familiar with what that is, or even who I am, don't worry. A lot of people have no idea, and that's thanks in large part to the algorithm. But my name's Matt, and I started a fun little series where I show people how to draw something in a 60-second or less video. I set myself a goal to do one of these a day, and for the past 40 days, I've succeeded. Now, they've been getting a lot of great feedback. I mean, although the views have been consistently suppressed, the comments have been keeping me motivated. Seriously, so many of you have said how underrated you think I am, and I really appreciate that. But I'm assuming it's because I've been posting primarily on YouTube Shorts, and I haven't been posting this wide-angle, longer-form content. I've just been worried that viewers wouldn't stay interested when it comes to a slower-paced drawing tutorial. So I've just stuck to the fast-paced, shorter videos on YouTube Shorts, as well as other places, of course. But because I really don't know what the right answer is when it comes to keeping everyone's attention, I figured I'd test the waters and see what you guys think. So if you actually watched this video in its entirety, and you're very curious about these tutorials, and you want to see longer, more detailed tutorials on how to draw fun characters like this, then be sure to like this video, and then let me know your thoughts in the comments. Help this video get more views, so that I know it'll be worth it to put in the time and effort, and then I'll consider making longer form content. The shorts are great, but the growth rate is not getting me to monetization status, so I appreciate any help when it comes to growing my following on here. The viewers and the followers that I have, you guys are amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and stay crafty.